Today, I'm going to help you choose a bike lock. There are 3 elements to consider when thinking about buying a bike lock: the level of security that you require, the number of bikes which you'll be storing, and the type of lock that you want to buy. There are 4 main types of bike locks available: a cable lock, a D-lock, a chain lock, and a folding lock. Generally, bike locks are broken into 2 main categories. Ones which give security and safety for accessories or small parts or helmets. And the second category are strong bike locks to secure the bike to an immovable object to prevent theft. For the main lock of your bike, we would always recommend a strong lock, such as a D-lock or a chain lock. This really does help secure your bike very well. And finally, the environment in which you're securing your bike really plays its part. So always try to make sure you secure your bike in a well-lit area where it can really help deter thieves from taking your bike. Locks tend to come with a security rating with a number found in the packaging, generally ranging from 0 to 10. 10 being the strongest, 0 being the weakest. Of course, 0 risk is not possible, so I'd always make sure you use a main D-lock or a chain lock to secure your bike and a secondary cable lock to slow down thieves.